Welcome to another episode of You Ask, We Answer. The question today is, can I line my shed and add electricity? Yes, you certainly can. Our timber frame fortress, cedar, kiwi and lifestyle shed ranges are ideally suited for this. We do recommend when lining the interior of a shed to protect the frames from condensation. You can do this by adding lining paper to the outside of your framing prior to fixing your cladding. When adding electricity, it is important to work with a certified electrician to ensure safety. The timber framing in our sheds gives you plenty of options for the attachment of switches, fuse boxes and other electrical equipment. If you're looking to insulate your shed, just check what size timber framing your shed has. Whether that's 45mm, 70mm or 90mm. Then head over to your local hardware store to find the insulation to suit. When purchasing insulation, remember the higher the R value, the better the insulation. Additionally, our lifestyle sheds have studs placed at 1200mm centers, which makes it easy to line with plywood or other linings. Be sure to write your questions below or maybe send us some photos of the shed you've lined. See you next time.